Hi beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! So I can learn how to love. Yo guys, please, my face has too much acne. Please ignore it. I beg, ignore it. Guess where am I? I'm right now in the Wuhan East Lake, one of the biggest lake in Wuhan. I guess so. I'm right now in the center of the East Lake, where people make camping, and here a lot of people. And today I'm gonna show you how the East Lake look like. And it's evening right now, so the view extremely beautiful. Yeah. In China, people like walking for real, for real. Oh my gosh, I love the view. And it's evening, you see? The sun is so pretty, isn't it? Hi. And there are a lot of couples. There are people with families, their kids. They are coming here for walking. And then some of them are coming here for playing, walking. And it's the third day of Chinese New Year, right? So people coming here for spending time with their families. And at the same time celebrate Chinese New Year. Oh my gosh, the sunset so pretty. Selfie, the sunset. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that sunset. That's so pretty. Oh, wow. Wait. I need to be careful. Otherwise, I'm gonna falling down. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's been a while. I think the last time I came to this place was last summer, isn't it? Yeah, it was last summer. That girl riding for me was just my countrymaid. And in East Lake, they don't allow people to ride bike. You can only ride bicycle. Since it's holiday, we have nothing to do at home. So yeah, this is the crowded places in East Lake, because you see, a lot of people are here. Some of people, they're even having camping here. Look, that car that come in. This is the only car that they allow here. And if you wanted to take this car, you have to pay like 30 kwai for each person. Guys, I'm going to be like riding while making videos, so it's so dangerous. So I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. The view made my day. Oh, but I don't know where is my countryman. I love the view. I really love the view. Ah. And if you wanted to come to this place, it's free. My friend is free. Oh, selfie, let's go. Oh, wait. Selfie. Let's go that side. They even sell a lot of things here. Some souvenirs. Some street food. I think it will be prettier when it's already dark. Now, like, it's not yet dark, so the view is still like ipampang,还是ipampang的。
Aku siang yang mesakne alam bako hili akan nekar Tigai nemak diak bau au koko halu Voy a comenzar a querer la como una historia con la pau y se la hija tan Musik bawa tutu laut wir tempo passado. Olori o tu domine be o promette. Olori le falso bo so domine. Opa ella iha le fua. Ola kona me hine be iha bao.
It's time to go back home. We have been playing the whole day. I mean, we have been playing for 3 hours. Stay tuned, guys. Yo, I need to be careful. I'm so pretty. Selfie! Let's go. Selfie! Saan naman ako? Wait. I put the lightning. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. 回家了，去超市，然后买吃的。不知道今天超市开不开呀？好像没有吧？开了。不确定吧？因为今天是第3天的过年，不确定。Look at somebody's in front of me. Somebody's. I need to be slower. I need to be slow. Oh, hey, today I saw the news and the winner for the AFCON, it was Ivory Coast. Oh my gosh. Wow, congratulations for Ivory Coast. I'm so sorry for Nigeria. So sorry. It's okay. Second winner is also fine. Don't be cry, okay? I almost hit that laji hole. It's getting dark, so nobody here. Na, 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 na. You see, the road is so empty. Nobody is here because everyone is already going back home. Oh, wait a bit, Sophie. Let me show you the view. If you guys have pressure, I mean, everyone have pressure in China. I suggest you guys on the weekend come to East Lake. You know, take a walk or doing some workout here. It's really good for your mental health, for real. Me, I love nature so much. So guys, sometimes we need to come here. We need to breathe fresh air. I mean, if you keep staying in your room, there's no fresh air. Haha. There is only pressure. But if you are here, you can see the city light. Or if you guys have a girlfriend or boyfriend, you can come here, you know. It's good for the couples. Just go work and talking, you know. Try to understand each other's. Ha ha ha. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna say much. I'm not gonna say much about couple. Let me just enjoy the view. Now we are time to go home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah.